Let's begin with performance testing. Performance testing is an umbrella that includes any kind of testing focused on a performance of the system or a component under different volumes of load. Performance testing is critical for establishing acceptable quality level and delivering a good user experience. The first type of performance testing is load testing. Load testing assesses the quality of the system to handle increasing level of anticipated realistic load. The load are generated by transaction requests from controlled number of concurrent users or processes. Load testing helps identify performance bottlenecks and ensures that the system can effectively handle expected workload. Second type is stress testing. Stress testing, on the other hand, focuses on evaluating system ability to handle peak loads that go beyond its anticipated or specific workload. This type of testing pushes the system to its limits and helps identify how it performs under extreme conditions. Stress testing also evaluates the system resilience in handling reduced availability of resources, such as computing capacity, bandwidth, and memory. Third is scalability testing. Scalability testing examines the system's ability to meet future efficiency requirements that may go beyond the current demands. The objective of scalability testing is to determine if the system can grow, accommodating more users and handle large amounts of data without violating the specific performance requirement or failing. By understanding the limit of scalability, appropriate threshold can be set and monitored in a production to anticipate potential problems. Fourth type is spike testing. Spike testing focuses on the system's ability to handle sudden bursts of peak load. It evaluates how the system responds to a rapid increase in user activity and whether it can return to a stable state afterward. Spike testing is particularly important to systems that experience periodic spikes. Spike testing is particularly important for the systems that face periodic spike in user activity, such as during special events or promotions. Fifth is endurance testing. Endurance testing focuses on the stability of the system over a specific time frame that is relevant to its operational context. This type of testing verifies that there are no resource capacity problems, such as memory leak, database connection loss, thread pool limitations. Endurance testing ensures that the system can maintain its performance over long periods and avoid performance degradation or failure at breaking points. Concurrency testing. The concurrency test explores the effect of concurrent action within the system. It examines how the system performs when large number of users logged in or perform specific action at the same time. Concurrency issues can be challenging to identify and reproduce, especially in production environments where testing has limited control. Concurrency testing helps uncover and address any performance issue that arise from concurrent user activities. Last but not least, we have capacity testing. This type determines the maximum number of users or transactions a given system can be supported while meeting the stated performance objectives. Capacity testing is crucial for understanding system scalability and ensuring it can be handled expected data volumes resulting from transactions.